Yes, Mr.
Personal
Chair.
mong pera? O pera ng PCSO?
Hindi po, pera ko po, Mr. Dahan-dahan po
Magkano
yun.
ang nagastos
Matagal.
mo doon sa pagpapaayos ng bahay na yon? Sa mansyon, na full of glass.
No, it's not mansion, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, nakita na namin eh. So, sabihin mo na yung kung magkano nagastos mo.
It's less than 1 million, Mr. Chair.
Magkano?
Less than 1 million.
Less than 1 million?
Dahan-dahan. Look,
Oh, sige.
po, Mr.
Department
Chair.
of Department of HR, Attorney Cynthia Regudo. Ma'am, kayong HR. Ma'am, ilan ang pumunta doon sa sa travel order na binigay niyo po noong November 26 to 27, ilang female department managers ang nag-overnight sa bahay na yon?
Mr. Chair, all of the female
How
department
many?
managers for hindi ko po ma-recall
20?
30?
30?
Less than 20, Your Honor.
Wow. So, kung 20 persons ang nandun sa bahay na yon, so, paano sasabihin mong 1 million yung ginastos mo sa pag-establish ng bahay na yon?
Can I make a statement?
So,
Mr.
wait a minute. Okay. Attorney Insyong. Attorney Insyong. Attorney Analisa Insyong.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, nandun po kayo sa bahay ng Hilltop. So, siyempre, nandun kayo di ba? So, invited kayo doon dahil meron kayong female department managers tinatawag na team building ng PCSO. So, kanino ang pagkakaalam nyo yung bahay na yon?
I have no idea, Your Honor. We were just invited for dinner.
Wala
in
ho
the
kayo
property.
nababalitaan doon na sinasabi kung sino may-ari ng bahay? Wala ba nagmamalaki kung sino may-ari ng bahay? Ma'am, you're under oath.
Yes, sir. Wala pong kaming mga ibang nakausap kasi we were all just together for the dinner po.
Si Ma'am Agnes Ibera, andyan ba si Ma'am Agnes Ibera? Please. Ma'am Agnes Ibera, were you a part of those who stayed at the house of a certain personality at the Hilltop? Andun po kaya?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair, I was one of the
And
attendees.
sino ang mga nabalitaan niyo may-ari ng bahay?
Wala pong, hindi po ako nagtanong kung sino ang may-ari at wala rin pong nagbanggit kung sino ang may-ari.
Sino
Your
ba
Honor.
may-ari nun GM Garma ng bahay na yon?
Mr. Chair, I developed it, Mr.
Ha?
I developed it, Mr. Chair.
So sa iyo yun?
Sinabi ko na po kanina po.
Sa iyo?
I developed the area, Mr.
Kaya nga, kung
Chair.
dinevelop mo, sa iyo yun. Kasi may bahay siya nakatutulog kayo Mga 20 nga kayo natulog doon Hindi may bahay, correct?
Hindi ho, kwarto yung tinulugan na, sahig lang
Hindi
po
nga.
sila lahat, sir.
What did you apply for it? Is it a residential place?
No, it's not.
Yung buong lugar na yon hindi residential? Natulog sila doon? Did you construct a structure?
There is a structure,
Merong
Mr. Chair.
kwarto, may sala, may kitchen.
Yun yung old area which
Hindi,
yes,
what
yes,
I'm
Mr.
asking
Chair.
you.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
The last time I asked you about the Hilltop, sabi mo wala kang bahay doon. Now, you are trying to tell us that you develop it and you own it. Di ba?
Mr. Chair, yes.
Okay, so, again, stop lying, ma'am.